Seatbelts save lives, but how much do people know about this fact? Well, as you will find out in the following report, some don't even know how to use them. Mamiesi Nyameche Thompson visited a popular bus station here in Accra and interacted with drivers and passengers.
Rukaya sat at the back of a minibus at the Neoplan station bound for Kumasi. She had no idea what the belt strapped by her seat was. So I offered to teach her how to use it, and she quickly embraced the idea. When you sit in the car, just pull the strap and insert it. It will prevent you from being ejected in case of an accident.
No better came no ambush belt, no accident this year. Over to me, African motor.
Kwabna Mensa, another passenger, did not know how to strap the belt, and although he tried to impress me, it was obvious he did not know what he was doing.
How do I strap myself in? It feels like I'm committing suicide. I know that the seat belt is for safety, case of accidents.
Statistics show that 3 out of 4 passengers died during car crashes because they failed to buckle up. I observed that many of the commercial drivers didn't care much for the use of seat belts.
The seat belt makes me very uncomfortable when I'm driving. I prefer to drive without it.
We are flexible. Hold this year, be all right. Passenger seat belt. I know we talk about this time, madam. Hey, Ghana car when you approach the car.
But there's a ray of hope. Few drivers buckle up and insist their drivers do same.
It's a rule. It's must. Everybody must wear a seatbelt before the car setup. You, a driver yourself, and the remaining passenger. It's the first thing you do before the car setup. Because
I always tell them to wear the seatbelt because it protects them.
For JoyNews, Mamiesi Nyameche Thompson. And remember to arrive alive.
And remember, please strap up whenever you sit down. Let's all arrive alive. Let's all drive safe so we can see the end of the year together.